Chicky chickens in the air. Super Bongo loves to share. In the kitchen shining bright, Bongo's mixing left and right. Flour and eggs in his bowl, stirring fast, he's on a roll. Stir it round and round. Bongo's cake will soon be found. Tico flies to lend a wing. Chocolate cake for everything. Leah comes to lend a hand. Don't forget the yeast she planned. Nina meows, she licks the plate. What a mess it's looking.